Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study science for RRB. First, ensure you thoroughly understand the exam syllabus, paying close attention to the science section. Next, build a strong foundation by focusing on fundamental concepts from physics, chemistry, and biology. Regularly practicing previous year's question papers is crucial to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and question types. This approach will significantly boost your preparation. When preparing, prioritize the core science subjects, physics, chemistry, and biology. For comprehensive coverage, refer to insert textbooks, specifically those from classes 6 through 10. These books provide a solid base for the RRB exam. Supplement your reading by solving a variety of multiple-choice questions daily. Consistent practice helps reinforce your understanding and improves your speed and accuracy. To optimize your study time, create concise, easy-to-read notes for quick revision before the exam. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts are incredibly helpful for understanding and remembering complex scientific processes and concepts. Make it a habit to frequently review challenging topics. This consistent reinforcement prevents forgetting and solidifies your knowledge, ensuring better retention. On exam day, effective time management is key. Allocate specific minutes to each section and stick to your plan. It is vital to stay calm and confident. A clear mind performs best under pressure. Remember to get adequate rest the night before. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Good luck with your RRB science exam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.